friends. Myself, I'm Devi Chakka from Dallas. I'm here to thank you all because you made JTTP a huge success. 200 plus participants were joined from 8 countries. And so many wonderful responses and transformation stories as well. With all that inspiration you gave us, here we come again with JTTP Season 3. Asatoma Sadgamaya. It is our dharma to step forward towards the truth. Together, join us. Together, we will bring a beautiful change in group consciousness and we help each other to elevate our energies. So, I welcome you to join one more beautiful journey of JTTP Season 3. Thank you so much.